Well, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify your Discord account on phone. So the first thing you should do here is you have to open your Discord and then look for your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap your profile right here, click this gear icon, and then under this gear icon, you should see this account. So you have to click this one. Once you tap this account right here, and then you will see the following like account information, email, and phone. So what you're going to do here is you have to verify your email address. As you can see, verify email address, send verification code, and you have to enter your verification code right here. And this way, once your email address is verified, then probably that's how you verify your Discord account. You can also go and tap this phone right here, enter your phone number, tap next, and then they will give you a code, and all you have to do is to enter that one. So basically, in order for you to verify your Discord using your device, phone device, you have to verify your email address. At the same time, you have to verify your phone number in order for you to be verified, or in order for your account to be verified on Discord. So you need to have a valid email address or a phone number. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment and down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.